Growing cabbage in plastic bottles can be a fun and easy way to grow your own fresh produce at home. Cabbage is a leafy green or purple biennial vegetable that is part of the Brassica family. It is commonly grown and consumed around the world and is often used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and coleslaw. Cabbage is a cool weather crop that is typically grown in the spring or fall. It prefers well-draining, fertile soil that is high in organic matter and a pH level between 6.0 and 6.5. Cabbage can be grown from seeds or transplants and should be planted in an area with full sun exposure. Cabbage is a nutritious vegetable that is low in calories and high in vitamin C, fiber, and various other nutrients. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help to reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Some common varieties of cabbage include green cabbage, red cabbage, Savoy cabbage, and Napa cabbage. When selecting cabbage, look for firm heads that are heavy for their size and free from any signs of damage or wilting. Here are the steps to follow. Prepare the bottles. Clean and rinse the plastic bottles thoroughly. Then cut off the top section with a sharp knife or scissors. The size of the bottle should be at least 2 liters in capacity. Make drainage holes. Poke a few small holes at the bottom of the bottles to allow for proper drainage. Prepare the cups. Clean and rinse the cups thoroughly. You can use plastic or paper cups, but make sure they have drainage holes at the bottom to allow excess water to escape. Fill with soil. Fill the cups with a good quality soil mixture that is rich in organic matter. Leave about an inch of space at the top of the cup to allow for watering. Plant the seeds. Plant cabbage seeds about 1 inch deep into the soil. Depending on the size of the cup, you may be able to plant 1 or 2 seeds per cup. Water regularly. Keep the soil moist by watering the plants regularly. Make sure not to overwater, as this can cause the soil to become waterlogged and lead to root rot. Use our products for gardening. Garden tool set with bucket organizer. Premium garden set tools. When transplanting, gently remove the seedling from the cup and carefully loosen the roots. Make a hole in the soil where you want to transplant the cabbage plant and place the seedling in the hole. Cover the roots with soil and water well. Growing cabbage in cups can be a fun and easy way to get started with gardening, especially if you have limited space or resources. Prepare the bottles. Clean and rinse the plastic bottles thoroughly, then cut off the top section with a sharp knife or scissors. The size of the bottle should be at least 2 liters in capacity. Fill with water. Fill the bottom of the bottle with water up to about 1 inch from the bottom. This will serve as the water reservoir for the plant. Add nutrients. Mix a hydroponic nutrient solution with water according to the manufacturer's instructions. Add the solution to the water in the bottle. The nutrient solution will provide the plant with essential nutrients for healthy growth. Transplant the cabbage plant. Gently remove the cabbage plant from its original container and carefully loosen the roots. Place the cabbage plant into the bottle and make sure the roots are submerged in the nutrient solution. Provide light. Cabbage plants need plenty of light to grow properly. Place the bottles in a sunny location or use grow lights if natural light is not available. Monitor the water level. Check the water level in the bottle regularly and refill as needed. It is important to maintain the water level to ensure that the roots stay submerged in the nutrient solution. Fertilize. You can also fertilize the cabbage plant with additional hydroponic nutrients every 2 to 3 weeks to promote healthy growth and development. Growing cabbage plants in water-filled bottles can be a fun and innovative way to grow cabbage hydroponically. With a little patience and care, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown cabbage right from your own backyard. Add a hydroponic nutrient solution to the water, following the instructions on the package. You can purchase a pre-made nutrient solution or make your own using a mix of different nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Test the phase of the solution using a phase testing kit and adjust the pH as needed to keep it within the ideal range for cabbage plants, which is typically between 6.0 and 7.5. Place the cabbage seedling into the bottle, making sure the roots are submerged in the nutrient solution. Keep the bottle in a sunny location and monitor the water level and nutrient solution regularly to make sure the plants are getting the right amount of water and nutrients. Change the nutrient solution every 1 to 2 weeks and add fresh water as needed to maintain the water level in the bottle. The size of the bottle and the environmental conditions in which it's being grown. However, as a general guideline, most cabbage plants take between 70 and 120 days to reach maturity. For most varieties of cabbage, the plant will form a large, tight head in the center of the plant when it's mature. This head will be firm and solid, and the leaves will be tightly packed together. As the cabbage plant matures, the leaves will start to turn a deeper shade of green. The leaves may also become thicker and more robust as the plant gets closer to maturity. The size of the cabbage head will vary depending on the variety of cabbage and the size of the plastic bottle. However, in general, a mature cabbage head will be at least 6 to 8 inches in diameter. When you think your cabbage plants in plastic bottles are mature, you can check by gently pressing the head of the cabbage. If it feels firm and solid, it's likely ready to be harvested. If the head feels loose or spongy, it may need more time to mature. Check the maturity date of the cabbage plant to determine when it's ready for harvest. The time to maturity will depend on the variety of cabbage you're growing and the environmental conditions in which it's being grown. When the cabbage is ready to harvest, use a sharp knife to cut the head of cabbage from the stem at the base of the plant. If you're growing a loose-leaf variety of cabbage, you can harvest the outer leaves as needed instead of harvesting the whole head at once. After harvesting the cabbage, discard any damaged or wilted leaves and rinse the remaining leaves with cool water to remove any dirt or debris. Enjoy your fresh cabbage in salads, slaws, stir-fries, or any other recipe that calls for this nutritious and versatile vegetable. Remember to continue to monitor the plants and maintain the nutrient solution for any remaining plants, as they may continue to grow and produce more cabbage heads. Like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you want to grow onions or other vegetables, then visit our channel and watch our videos.